On this episode of Transform My Space, I'll be taking my mom's empty wall space in her kitchen and turning it into her dream wine wall. This project definitely came with some challenges and it was really interesting to say the least, but I am so excited to show you guys the reveal. Let's get into the episode. First stop is Home Depot to pick up some materials for this project. So Mom, what are we here to do?
Pick up my sideboard.
We got the goods! Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Alright, so since we're doing a wine wall, gotta have the wine. So my mom, she's so excited. She's been picking out her little wines for the wall. What are some of the favorites? Or are you gonna just wing it?
No, I have a list.
Let's see what we can find. This lady literally like screenshotted all the wines that she wanted. Wait, there's another jam jar type? I thought jam jar only did red. Wait, what kind of wine is that?
Sweet Lush.
Y'all, this is my grandma's favorite wine. Are you a cupcake girl? Y'all, when I tell you this one right here is so good, and then my mom said the cherry one is good too as well, if it'll focus. All right, leave it to me to forget most of the tools that I needed.
All?
My mom has this little
Pee-wee.
This little baby drill, wait, let me fix y'all real quick. This little baby drill that we call Pee-wee, I gotta show y'all. Like, literally, like, this is literally the tiniest drill. It's so cute, but it's tiny. It's not compared to the drills that we got. Y'all, look at this drill. What is this gonna do? What you be hanging with this, or what you be doing? Not hanging.
Everything.
Why she get this? She should've just got a regular drill. Pee-wee. Anyway, we are gonna get this wine rack up. Shout out to Wine Enthusiasts. They're actually sponsoring me in an Instagram reel, so I'll leave the actual post down below in the description box. But yes, they sent over this wine rack and some other stuff that I'm gonna show you guys later that's gonna really help bring this space to life. Yeah, we just need like a little something. And I feel like this is a good like an idea to do on like a blank kitchen wall like this. If you have a blank wall like this, I feel like most people do in their home and you don't really know what to do with it. This is a really good idea. So all the products will be linked down below in the description box as usual. Well then, this has to be on the stud then.
Yeah, it's gotta be on the stud or it's gotta be.
Oh, you got some? Okay. I didn't know you had any or not. Like I said, I forgot all my tools and I went to Lowe's with my mom to get a stud finder and I was the only one that ran in Lowe's and I forgot to get the battery. So we're just gonna pray and hope that we can find the stud in the wall to hang the little wine rack right there because it needs a stud if we're gonna put like wine on the rack. Like there's no way that thing is gonna like actually uphold if it doesn't, like if it's not on a stud. All right, we went back to Lowe's. My mom was flaming me because, okay, so this is a 9 volt? This is a 9 volt battery. And I thought that like 9 volt too was like a special like 9 volt battery. And it just tells the quantity in the pack. My mom was like flaming me. So anyway, it's all good. We're about to hang up this wine rack really quick. Pray for us. Thankfully there's a stud on the wall, so that's good news, but we're just gonna pray that this thing is like sturdy and up there because there are 12 bottles of wine that is going on this rack, so it needs to be sturdy because we don't want all of them tumbling now. You want to mark it on the other side?
It's about to hold.
Yeah, just go ahead and do it while I have it like this. Even though you mark it, I would just mark it with the same. Okay. What?
You went straight through.
Oh, did it? I thought she was like struggling. Well, anchor. All right, change of plans. We're doing the anchor. That's what we should have done in the first place. We thought it was a stud, which it sounds like it is, but that wasn't the reality when we were screwing them in, so we're here. Woo, y'all. Okay. I wish they had screws at the bottom.
Yeah. But the weight of the wine is
Oh, yeah. Alright, good morning, y'all. It is the next day, and as you can see, I am back here. Last night, we have it in us to finish it, so we're here, but y'all, look at this. It looks so good. So right now we're gonna put up all the wine bottles, kind of like set the mood a little bit. We're even probably gonna make like a little charcuterie board, snack board, whatever you wanna call it. So we're at the home stretch right now, so let's just get right into the styling portion of the video. All right, so we got all the stuff that we're gonna put on top of the console, and then we have all of the wines that I kind of showed you guys already in Kroger. So all the wines, I'm excited to come over for a little wine night here, but we're gonna go ahead and put it up on the rack. So let's get into it. I love it. My mom already saw it because she helped me with it, and I'm so happy with this final product. Like, y'all, this is a vibe. This is like something that you put in your house as a statement piece if this kind of matches like the vibe and essence of your like decor and style. I absolutely love this. Like, this is a showstopper in her house, and it's honestly perfect, especially because she had this empty wall in her kitchen. She didn't know what to do. It just kind of filled up the wall, and it's like it matches her personality and like things that she loves in life, which is wine. I love wine as well too, so I'll be over here a lot, you know, drinking wine off the wine wall. I'm obsessed. But I hope you guys love how this looks. Like, this is such a vibe. We're gonna enjoy some wine. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.